Hey, welcome back to another Moralis video. My name is Bharat, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fetch the NFT floor prices for any collection in just one API call. So let's get started. I'm just going to start with a quick overview of Moralis. And if you're not familiar with Moralis, Moralis is the crypto data platform. Moralis basically provides devs with RPC nodes and APIs for NFTs, tokens, wallets, DEX data, etc. Basically, any sort of Web3 data that you need, Moralis basically provides you with all of that in the form of APIs and SDKs, letting you directly leverage that to build any sorts of wallet applications, portfolio applications, trading bots, DeFi solutions, etc. So to get started, you can just head to login and create an account. So once you've created an account, you'll be able to see your dashboard, and your dashboard basically contains all the data you need. You can basically see your compute unit usage, you can see your API key, you can get started by visiting our documentation, you can see our tutorials, etc. So all you need now is to just get the API key, and then you can head to our documentation, which is available at docs.moralis.com. So I have it already open here, and as you can see, this is the documentation for Moralis Web3. And now you can go ahead started by just heading to NFT API. And if you head to NFT API, we can basically see these are all the NFT APIs supported by Moralis, and our particular NFT floor price API is under the Get NFT prices section. And as you can see right here, we have three new APIs. The first one is basically the Get NFT floor price by contract, and this basically lets us retrieve the floor price for any given NFT smart contract, and this basically just tells us the floor price overall. And then we have an API called get NFT floor price by token. So here you would have to pass the contract address of the NFT as well as the token ID. So it's going to return you the floor price for the specific NFT over a period of time. And then you have get NFT historical floor prices by contract. And if you're basically building something like analytic charts, etc., then you would require this particular API endpoint, because it's going to give you the NFT floor price history over a period of time. And we'll be seeing how you could leverage all these three APIs in order to fetch the floor prices. So to get started, let's go to the method documentation of get NFT floor price by contract. And as you can see right here, this is the route for this particular API. And we need to pass the address and the chain for which we want to query the floor price for. So I'm just going to head over to OpenSea to see some of the popular NFT collections, and let's try querying the floor price for any given NFT. So I already have OpenSea open here, and basically if you're not familiar, OpenSea is an NFT marketplace. It's one of the most popular marketplaces for NFTs, and you can see some of the trending collections here. I'm just going to select this egg, and let's basically try to retrieve the floor price for one of these NFTs. So let's just click on this particular NFT, and you can see OpenSea gives us like the contract address and the token ID of the NFT in the route itself, so we don't have to copy it from somewhere else. So you can also see it here in details. You can see the contract address, and that links to an Etherscan contract as well. So for now, I'm just going to take the NFT collections contract address, and now I'm going to head back to our docs and paste the contract address right here. You can also paste your API key from Moralis onto this spot. Once you have done that, you can see the code snippets basically get generated across all of the different languages. So I'm just going to take curl, and let's basically run this on our terminal. So one second, let me just open up a new terminal. All right. So now that I have it open, just gonna paste it here, and let's just add the JQ flag so that we get the response neatly printed. Okay, cool. So we got the response, and as you can basically see, it returns us the floor price for this particular collection. And if you do visit the collections main page, I'm pretty sure it shows us the floor price, and that's right here. So you can basically see how the floor price is returned over here, and you also have it within the contract. It shows us 0.117. So OpenSea is doing some rounding, and you can basically see the floor price in USD value as well. So if you want to display the floor price in USD, you also have that, and it also gives you the currency. So if you whether it's on ETH or whether if it's on a different currency for a different chain, etc. and you also have the marketplace from which it's retrieved the floor price. So this is basically come from Blur. So if you open the same NFT in Blur, we'll basically be seeing the same price as OpenSea as well. So that's how you can retrieve the floor price for any given contract. And now, as the next thing, what we can do is we can try the get NFT floor price by token, and let's actually retrieve the floor price for a specific token like this one. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna head over to the same method documentation, and I'm gonna go into get NFT floor price by token. Also, the floor price is the lowest price for the given NFT. So this is actually the current price. So floor price would actually return us what was the lowest price for this NFT. So for this, let's basically take the contract address and token ID again. So I have it put right here, and the token ID for this is 2753. Yep. And now let's again copy the curl snippet, and let's basically open our terminal again. Let's paste. Okay, cool. So you can basically see the response right here, and this time it fetched the price from OpenSea. And if you can see it right here, the floor price for this NFT is 0.121, and it also returns you the USD value for this particular NFT. So that's how you can essentially fetch the floor price of a specific NFT contract as well as the specific NFT by token ID. So the next one is to basically get the historical NFT floor prices. So this endpoint is pretty special because it lets you fetch the NFT floor prices for a historical data range. So if you want to query the NFT price for a given contract over a period of time, this is the endpoint that you basically need. So I'm just going to do the same here. I'm going to take this contract address and I'm going to query the price, the floor price of this over a period of 30 days. And as you can basically see right here, we have the code snippet right here, and this interval field basically changes when you change the interval. And you also have like the contract address itself. So I'm just going to copy this, and let's again head back to our terminal, and let's put this here. Cool. So now you can basically see we've got the response for this particular API, and this is returning us the historical NFT floor prices. So you can basically see how it varies across 30 days. So you can basically see, and you can use this to plot any analysis or charts as well. So if you're interested, there's another video that we have basically made, which covers how you could use the NFT historical floor price API in order to create attractive charts or visualizations for any NFT collection. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave that in the link to our description so that you can basically check out this video on how you could use the historical floor price API to build cool visualizations. So that's how you can basically leverage our NFT floor price APIs in your NFT applications. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.